Oh, we forgot to do your eyebrows. Perfect. But it's good. So we refreshed your face and now we're gonna do your eyebrows.
Okay, so we're starting with brushing the eyebrows up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I was thinking, I forgot. So I like your eyebrows how it is, but I just add a little bit of like a couple strokes of the like hair strokes over there.
Okay. And why are eyebrows so important?
It's just the framing of your eyes.
Okay.
So of course it's very important because it like finishing the look.
Gotcha.
And you can compare with one eyebrow how much better it looks, and even like a tiny bit,
Mm-hmm.
even for a person who have like good eyebrows. Okay, just lift everything and
Oh, yeah.
just like kind of like finishing the whole look.
For sure.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Be very careful with color. Okay.
Okay.
Just like little strokes.
So you angle it. You're going on the angle, right? Just through the brow.
But so let me show you just
Okay.
just a little bit. So I'm just adding where we, because you have
underneath.
very, you can add over here too.
Creating the shape. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not like, hey, putting. Okay. Gotcha.
Because it's very different for everyone. And you already have very intense color inside the eyebrow.
Mm-hmm.
So we only need to add a little bit over here.
So I'm gonna think of it as just framing the brow.
Yeah.
More than filling the brow.
Yep. Because you already have pretty good color there. So and you can see some missing spots, then that's where we want to add a little. Do you wanna?
Yep.
Like that?
So we're only on the top, right?
Just yeah. Mm-hmm. Make sure you don't press too much, so it's not too dark.
Connect it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not too bad. I mean,
And then brush with other side of the.
oh, wonderful. The whole brow?
So,
Or
that's
just through the
gonna
color?
help to just like blend everything. It won't look like a block of the eyebrow. It can look like that.
And I've seen that, yeah. People do that.
Yeah,
Everyone's
and
like,
they're
yeah.
like very, very geometrical
Yeah.
kind of eyebrow. It's not trendy anymore.
So very, more
Yeah,
natural,
like-
but still thick.
Like very feathery, and we just spray a little bit with the same like mist or finishing spray, and
Never have seen this in my life or heard of it. And why do we want to do this?
because now it's very nice and trendy to have the thick eyebrows and especially brushed up eyebrows. So what we want to do, we want to just fix them standing a little bit more up, which is very pretty, very useful kind of look.
It's probably hard to see on the camera, but it really is a big difference.
It
We'll do it.
is.
I'll try to get close so you can see the before and after there. Or
Yeah,
between.
just show the difference.
So you can see, like, I mean, again, you probably can't see, but each individual lash is being pulled. This is a little bit fuzzy, but
Yeah.
it's just sort of a high definition sticking out. I like that.
And
Okay.
it stays like that because it's a soap, so when it's got dry, it just stays that way, which I absolutely love. Yeah, it's hard to see for me, but yeah, it looks so much more kind of sexy and very like, I don't know, just like very pretty. Yeah.
Who doesn't want
that.
sexy brows?
I know.
Right?
Okay, so now we're good to go. Let's spray that again. Just look out for me. Okay. So
And that's
here
it?
we go. Yeah.
Not like that's it. Like,
Easy peasy.
amazing. Thank you so
you're
much.
welcome.
Give me
You're
a
very
hug.
welcome. Yeah,
Um,
you're such a great student, I would say. Yeah.
Well, I want to ask you a couple more questions before we're done. So first of all, let's talk about time. So this took a little bit longer because obviously she's teaching me, I don't know,
everything about makeup, and clearly you saw how poorly I put those eyelashes on. But if you were working on someone start to finish, like how long is a typical application?
For this kind of
Yeah.
makeup, I would say it's more for photo shoot makeup. So that wouldn't take me longer than 45-50 minutes.
Okay.
So that's about what it
Average.
is.
Okay. And let's talk everyday makeup, because not everyone wants to be this glamorous. I mean, I think I might start being, this is not my new thing, but we have a whole new YouTube channel, just makeup.
Yeah.
So everyday makeup, what are the essential things you should have?
So depends of type of skin, but if your skin pretty normal, I would say it would be BB cream, which is like blurring cream, tinted BB cream, powder, bronzer, or contouring powder. Depends what you like and tone of your skin. Good moisturizer and SPF. That's always supposed to be in your products, or you just have to apply that before you do any makeup. I could not live without my eyebrow pencil and mascara and black pencil, which I really like to use for eyeliner, for borderline, for different type. I don't even use much lipstick every day if I'm not going anywhere. Red lipstick is classic, so even if you have not as much makeup on your face, it's always like brings so much, and just right tone of red lipstick on you could like create such a classic, beautiful look. Doesn't matter what. I love to do lessons, makeup lessons. I really enjoy that. I did a lot of lessons for my clients, and I can see improvement every day on people who already done it. And even if they don't do much makeup, how they take care of the skin, how they prep their skin, I can see the difference. So that's very warming my heart.
Yeah, it's good. Clearly this is her passion. It is not my passion, but I'm really excited to be able to share what you love to do and to learn about how to do this whole process. It's been a wonderful couple hours of this. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Your home is gorgeous, by the way. And,
Thank you.
OLENA is awesome with color and makeup, but she's also great at designing your home. I've been watching that process. So I'm only putting that in there because I want to come back and have her talk about her home sometime.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's free, everybody. And check out OLENA's page as well. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
See you
Thank
later.
Bye.